Are you looking for interactive and scientifically developed coding class for your kids? Well, Raman Code Academy offers fun and simple online learning with live one-on-one personalized coding class for your kids. We offer courses like JavaScript, Java, Python, Scratch, HTML and much more through animated stories, games, interactive puzzles and quizzes. Our experts mentor your child in live personal tutorial sessions through virtual classrooms and convenient website access. It's a perfect environment for your kids to become a strong and keen coder. All you need is a laptop or PC with a webcam and a good Wi-Fi connection. Join us in 3 simple steps. Choose a course, learn from our live classes, and become a certified coder. Book a free demo today. Sit back and watch as our educators unfold the world of coding to your child. Just pick a course that inspires your child and watch them glow. See you at Raman Code Academy.